Good afternoon everybody, it's Andy T here, bringing you the latest and final for Dirty Donny's Pinball Punk. Here we can see the two guys joined at the head, about to operate a pinball machine. There's a UK halfpence piece now out of circulation, which they're about to use. There's also one of them is about to eat a piece of pizza. So I thought I'd just show this to you. I'm going to move it slightly away now so you can see a little bit more of what's going on. There we are, about there I think. Okay, so yes, this model is part resin and part plastic and part 3D printed, and it sits on a recycled Ferrero Rocher chocolate box. The first one I'll show you is the scratch built pinball machine. This is based on the Twister pinball, and as you can see it's got all the graphics and everything else associated with that. And as we turn it around a bit more, you can start to see some of the decals on the back of the pinball punks. You can see that they belong to the Tokens Pinball Club, which is quite apt. And on the boot down here is a heart keyhole, and on the other boots there's a padlock. Okay, on the pinball punk machine itself, the plunger is headed off with a dice, and in the hand here you can see he's got a skull, so that's kind of okay. The pinball punk decals are lovely. They were slightly marked by the plastic that they came in, so they've got a little bit of a wrinkle set into them, which I tried to get rid of using the Mr. Decals Mark setter, Mr. Mark setter and softener. But no, it didn't come out, but hey ho, it's not that bad. Some nice decals on the back and also on the top, and as you can see round this side here. Now on this side, down at this point, you can see down here that there is a charging point and an on-off switch. And if I get my USB charging plug and I plug it in over here and I push this in here, you'll see that this side of the switch glows red. Now inside here is an 18650 lithium-ion battery, and so plugging this in goes into a charging board. As it needs charge, it sort of obviously takes it, and the red indicator shows that it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it will turn blue, and then it will obviously it indicates that it's reached full capacity in the battery. The 18650 battery charges up to about 4.5 volts, which is absolutely ideal for the processor that's on board inside both of the pinball machines. It's a Picaxe 14M2 board, which has 10 plus outputs that I'm using for various lighting channels, etc. So let's unplug this now, and we'll turn on the machines. There we go. Now you can see that all of a sudden the machines come to light, and they're twinkling away with their bases going, and as time goes on I can spin that round and show you a little bit more of this particular one. And as I say, it's also there is, as I say, this audio board inside. Now the audio board has a real recording of a pinball machine, and if we let it go, well, there we have it. Yes, it's finally finished, the Pinball Punk with lighting and audio effects. I do hope you like it. It's my entry for the group build on Facebook and the Halloween Facebook. So I hope you like my entry, and please vote for it. Okay, thanks very much indeed. I'll see you all soon.